Hello everyone, my name is Rakesh and welcome to the FlexMind channel. In our last video, we saw folder action in Power Automate Desktop. Inside the folder action, we saw get files in folder, get subfolders in folder, create folder and delete folder. In our today's video, which is the continuation of the last video, we will see empty folder, copy folder, move folder, rename folder and get special folder. So as you can see, I have already created a blank flow which is folder example 2. And in order to demonstrate this example, I have created a folder named pad underscore folder underscore test. And inside this folder, I have created one subfolder and two text files. Inside this subfolder one, there is already a pad underscore folder underscore test. I will just delete this. Now this folder is blank. I will just copy this here. Okay. Now let's start. So my first action will be empty folder. So empty folder basically delete all the contents of a folder, which includes files and subfolders without deleting the folder itself. So I will empty the folder subfolder 1. Let's select this one. So as you can see, I have already created one text file here. I will just create one more subfolder just to demonstrate. Okay. Now let's run this action. So as you can see, now the subfolder is empty. Now let's track copy folder action. So copy folder actions copy a folder into a destination folder. It's simply like copy and paste we use in our Windows drive. So I will select the folder. So I am selecting this whole parent folder and I will copy this inside my subfolder 1. I will copy here. Okay. And there is a parameter which says if folder exists. So if folder exists, either we can do nothing or we can overwrite it. So I will just put overwrite and I will just save this. Before running the flow, I will disable empty folder command. Now we'll run the flow. So as you can see, this whole pad underscore folder underscore test is copied inside subfolder 1. So it's same. Now we'll just disable this action and now we'll use move folder command. So basically move an existing folder into a destination folder. So it's like a cut and paste. So I will move subfolder 1. So I am moving subfolder 1 inside this path to here. Now we'll run this command. So as you can see, there is a subfolder 1. The subfolder 1 which was here, it came to here. Okay, so it moved the subfolder 1 from here to here. Okay. Now we'll use the rename folder. So rename folder, just change the name of a folder. So I will use, in order to show this, I will just use this one. This, and I will just name it and I will put today's date stamp. So before running the flow, I will disable this move folder action. I will just run it. So as you can see, this has renamed the folder with concatenating the today's date at the end. Now the last action is get special folder. Before dragging this, I will just disable this action. So what does get special folder do? So get special folder retrieve the path of Windows special folders such as desktop, my pictures, internet cache. So if you click on this drop down, it will jot down all the special folders of your system. I will just use system folder. So the path for this is Windows slash system32. Now what I will do, I will just list down all the files inside system32 folder and I will write it in a text file and I will save it on my desktop. I will just drag get files in folder. So variable I will choose special folder path and I will just save it. Now what I will do, I will create a file. I'll search for the file. Write text to file. I will just select my desktop and I will name it special. I will name it system32 files and I will just put with extension txt. And what to write, I will just put files, the list of files. I will just save it. Now we will run the flow. Okay. Now let's go to the desktop and see, yeah, system32 files.txt has been created. So if you will open, it will list down all the files inside the system32 file. So that's how we use the get special folder action. Hope you all will like this video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe to our channel for more videos on Power Platform. Thank you.